Good morning, community. Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening Canning Recipes, a little bit of everything. It's time to up pot our tomatoes. Boy, do we have some beautiful plants. So excited. Also time for us to go ahead and pop some more carrots in this raised bed over here, and quite possibly some other items. And here is another batch of all of our tomatoes. So we are going to be busy in the coming days. So most of you know that COVID hit our family in the last week and a half. Certainly not a good time to be sick. We have so much to do, guys, and we are so far behind. But wanted to give you an update. Greg is starting to come out of it. Still feeling kind of puny. And Charlotte, my mother-in-law, is starting to come out of it too, which is a huge blessing because we were getting deeply concerned, and it is so good to know that she's starting to be a little bit more lucid now. She got COVID before we did, and then started to improve, and then all of a sudden she wasn't doing very well, and she has been in the hospital almost a week, and there were many times that she was not really responsive. And the other day she started to come out of it and was hungry and started eating. So thank you all for your prayers. We feel so blessed. Thank you so very much. And we'll keep you updated. Our herbs are starting to come up. So we got some chamomile, some thyme, holy basil. I can't read jalapenos, Italian basil, cabbage. Looks like we got some marshmallow. Kale is coming up. Oh my goodness. Genovese basil, cilantro, dill. We are really feeling pretty good that we were able to get some things going before illness struck. So right now, February still looks to be mild. We're going to get up to close to 70 today. So it's perfect weather to do up potting for these tomatoes. And then we get kind of close to freezing, I think Tuesday, but we'll wait and see. And then after that, we go back up into the 40s at night and into the 50s and 60s during the day. So we're having really good weather to try to get our spring planting started. It's just we have so much to do. We are so far behind on cleanup and trying to get more things started and get just get things done. Just get things done, guys. When you get sick in the middle of gardening and your spring planting, it's just not a good thing. And you know, still not 100%, and you're tired. We're very tired, and just kind of coming back a little bit slow, but that's okay. We got some time. Today is February the 9th, so we look to be planting probably in about 6 weeks, and our plant sale will be in about 6 weeks, and we'll probably have that plant sale all the way through April because we hope to have a great offering of all the plants that we grow here on the farm to those of you who are around us and would like to buy some plant starts. If you don't want plant starts, we do have a great seed variety as well out on our website, which is alvaredocommunityfarm.com. If you're in Texas, right now is a good time to start putting your onion sets in the ground. Go ahead and seed some more carrots, potatoes. These are all things that it's time to go ahead and get going, whether you're growing in a container, in the ground. So it's time to go ahead and get those things going. You can see over here, I have this whole area here that I'm going to start some more carrots. And another thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of my sweet potatoes from last year, and I'm going to start rooting it so I can get my slips ready to go in April. So that's another thing you need to start looking at doing, guys, because we plant our sweet potato slips in April here. So this morning, we're up potting black creme tomato. These are one of my favorite, guys. These are kind of like a dark burgundy tomato. They're very meaty, probably about a medium-sized tomato. They make great salsa, but they're also wonderful slicers. So if you're interested in these black cremes, we do have some seeds out there. Anyway, I can't believe how beautiful these plants are looking already, and we still got, guys, about 6 weeks before we're going to start planting some of these. So we are getting busy today, getting everything done. I'm excited to start seeing some things looking good. Again, we got so much to do, but I wanted to touch base with you. I wanted to thank you all for your prayers. We are on the mend. It looks like Charlotte may be on the mend too, and we are sure praying for that, guys. Keep praying. We love you all, and we'll be in touch. Love you.